How to add a hover effect on header navigation menu in Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the steps on how you can add hover effect on header navigation menu in Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then log in into your Shopify account. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, direct it to the dashboard page. While you're on this page, go to online store, located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see multiple options. Scroll down a bit, go to three-dot icon located next to customize button. After you tap on the three-dot icon, you'll be able to see edit code button. As you've done that, you'll be taken to the edit code page. Here you'll be able to see multiple code. After that, in the search box in the left hand side menu, type in header.liquid. So go ahead and tap on the header.liquid button. After you've done that, on the other half of your screen, you'll be able to see multiple code. Here you need to tap on Ctrl+F at the same time and type in /header. And after you find this particular code, it will be highlighted right over here. As you can see, here's the /header option. Now you'll need to paste in the code right over here. So for that, you need to go to your new tab, and after that you need to copy the link, that is spin.com/qpz2azz. After you've accessed this particular link, you'll be able to see a code. So you'll need to copy the code, which is right over here. So make sure to copy all the code, and after that you need to copy it, and then you need to paste it on the other page where you'll need to paste it on the other side. So you'll need to paste above the header button, and after you paste the code, you'll need to click on the save button located right on top. After you've done making changes, click on the save button, and after the asset has been saved, you'll need to log out of your account and once again log in into your account, and this is going to add hover effect on your header navigation menu in Shopify. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.